No worries, Bridgeport's new MC-flexfit has got the cable range you need. Come on, let's get started. Let's take a closer look at Bridgeport's patented MC-flex, a one-piece insulated throat and adjustable armor stop with a set screw, a hinge design for easy cable insertion, and only 2 screws for quick installation. Installation is as easy as 1. Position the hinge to one of the 2 cable ranges. 2. Set the armor stop. And 3. Secure the cable. As you can see, with Bridgeport's new MC-flexfit, you'll get the right connector for every MC feeder cable job. Thank you for joining us.